Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit radio buttons in a fillable PDF form using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is my radio button box and I'll edit this box. Now select form option and select the select field and drag your mouse to the selected box, and you can increase decrease this box here. And press right button for the mouse cursor. Properties dialog box. You can say general option, this radio button name, make it visible, you can rotate it, you can make it red only and required. And appearance option, you can change radio button default color, border color, and so on. And this option, you can change this button symbol, diamond, is check, and select close. So kind of see this. So radio button now says in this way you can edit your radio button on a fillable PDF form. And finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.